Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can send fax messages from your Motorola E32s. So we have to start from opening the Play Store, then look for the FAX app. You will find a lot of them in the Play Store. I'm always using the EasyFax app. Then add the permissions to the camera and to the files. Now if you want to add a document, click on this little plus and choose source of your document. You can choose something from the vanilla files like a PDF, import from your gallery, or just take a photo. I will pick something from my gallery now. So that one for example. Now just click import. You can also select more than one document. Now if you're ready, click the arrow and there is a place where you can choose the filter for your document to make it more visible for your receiver. Then you can add a signature, the text and the graffiti by these icons. So if you're ready, click accept, then type the number in this place and remember to choose the country. You can here add a small note. And if you want to add more documents, maybe from the other source, click on the plus and do it like before. But if you want to send only this one, click on this icon. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.